They just began by almost smashing two of these bikes because my bike is a bit shit right now and this just moves all over the place. It's meant to be gas and stop, but it moves all over the place. Hello everybody! We just arrived at a waterfall, which is nowhere to be seen yet. So Matthew just got me a present. This ice cream. We must be close. All these people are trying really hard to get to the other side without falling off. How about... Why are you wearing trainers again? Oh my days, guys. He's wearing trainers and we came to a waterfall and then we're going to the beach. Oh my. So normal people would just go on these stairs. But you know, there's a rope, special ropes for us to use, so I'm gonna use the rope instead. Oh, it's pretty. Guys, I need to climb up! Oh no, this is gonna be some real shit. Real shit. I didn't know that this waterfall is so difficult to access. I just wanted to get to a freaking waterfall, and this is what I have to go through. A jungle. After the lack of your trainers.
Oh.
I just don't know when you're gonna lose your flip-flops. Let's just sit down for a second. Oh man. Guys, we are still trying to get to this waterfall. It's taking us maybe over half an hour now. So if you're ever in this area going to the waterfall, be prepared. Me and Matthew are almost dying out here.
Half an hour of day 7.
Wow. Check this snake out. Oh, don't touch it. It's a snake. Don't touch it. It's a king wood cobra.
A brown twirly python.
We are arriving at the waterfall at this moment right now. I'm making a second attempt to go to the bamboo beach. This time I will go through this way because Matthew just went through this way and he's telling me to go through this way. Even though it looks a bit messed up, I'm gonna go for it and see how far I can go. If I crash my scooter, I swear.
It's not that bad.
Okay guys, I'm ready for this. Matthew, you go first, please. Arrive to the beach. Look at these waves, guys. Guys, I'm gonna do something crazy. Probably, I don't know if it's it's gonna even work, but it's a crazy idea. I'm gonna sit on one of these rocks. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm just saying, I don't know if I'm returning. But oh, I'm just gonna die here. Shall we look at the injuries now?
Yeah.
See, these are my injuries. I have been knocked on a rock and I was bleeding. But I'm okay. It was worth the shots, guys. Just for you. I'm going home now. Bye, Matthew. And basically, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was a big adventure day. Loads of climbing, hiking. I like this video. Subscribe to my channel, Sauce. And I love you guys.
This is not actually Miriam's bike. She's stealing this for the purpose of pictures, Miriam. And we have got these people in the car staring at us. So
Witnesses. I'm actually stealing the bike. I'm just saying.
so I think we gotta go.
Let's just go.